Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to teach you guys about how to organize your messiest dressing table so that it looks appealing to your eyes and is not messy, and when you want to go out, you want to get ready quickly, you will be able to find the things easily and it will not be hectic, like whenever you want to go out you feel bad about that. It won't be like that. And so the first step is to keep the stuff on the right places. If you see some stuff that should be kept in other rooms, then the first step is to keep those stuff in other room or the drawers, wherever they should be kept. And the next step is to remove the stuff from the dressing table so that you can clean all the stuff also, and then after that you can rearrange it properly. Now clean all the products one by one through a cloth, and then to categorize in different sections. But first of all, don't worry about categorizing them and keeping them in different sections, because it saves a lot of time, even in case of your cupboard organization. All right, so this technique is I tried many times. Whenever you are organizing any kind of thing at your home, just don't worry about categorizing it at the first place. Just clean the products and or organize the products, whatever, and keep them all together, and in the end you guys will see I will categorize them all together in different sections. So stay tuned. Now I am organizing the stuff and categorizing them into the different categories. Now you'll see at the end I'll show you everything in detail. I'm categorizing the products like that: skin products altogether, hair products altogether, and like makeup products in different section, the perfume in different. So according to my dressing table products, I'm categorizing them in different sections. I'm also keeping some stuff in different section that was kept before on the dressing table, but I think because of those things the table was looking messy, and that were also not of daily use, so I can keep them in the cupboards or wherever you can keep them at home in the right place. So because of this technique your table will not look messy and you will be able to find your stuff easily. All right, these are skin products, nail polish altogether, and it's makeup products with organizers I have kept, and perfume products together. These are the hair products and makeup products, and this stuff is like they needs to be kept in other places that are not of daily use, and some empty bottles also that I will keep for some DIYs. So now I have started keeping the stuff on the dressing table. I'm still not sure how to keep them, but in this video you will see I will adjust them several times to keep them properly, that is visible for the eyes and that doesn't look messy. So stay tuned. So it is done. You can see in the first section I have kept skin products, and at the back side in the side of the mirror I also have kept some blushers and eyeshadows, and after that there are some hair products, and in the organizers and behind that I have kept the makeup products, and then it's the nail products, the nail polish and removers, and after that perfumes. So I hope you like the video, and kindly like, share and subscribe if this helped you. Stay tuned for more videos.